How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family, my father, mother, brother, sister, and me. Does your family live in a house or an apartment? We live in an apartment in New York. What does your father do? My father is an engineer. He works at the construction company. How old is your mother? He is 55 years old, 2 years younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What's his or her name? Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, Tom, and one younger sister, Sophia. Are you the youngest amongst your brothers and sisters? No, I'm not. I'm the 3rd child in my family. What do your mother/father like? My father likes playing golf, and my mother likes dancing. Do your parents let you stay out late? Yes, of course. They always ask me to get home before 9 p.m. each night. Do you stay with your parents? Right now, yes, but I used to. Does your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us. Hello, Jaden. How are you? I am fine. What's up to you? I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. What are you thinking now? I am recollecting the incident about how I enjoyed the summer vacation. Would you please describe it? Yes, why not? I went to my village home at Green Island, New York. My heart leapt with joy when I met some known faces waiting for me. Were they very happy to find you among them? Certainly. They were very happy to find me among them. They welcomed me heartily. I was also pleased with their rustic simplicity. What did you do there? During my long stay there, I did a lot of things which gave me much pleasure and joy. The most interesting thing is that the village was free from urban noise. Didn't you go to the river? Certainly. One day my cousin along with his friends set a program of boat riding in the river of Hudson. We enjoyed the boat riding greatly. I see you enjoyed much. Did you make friendship with them? Yes. I made friendship with some of my cousin's friends. I visited their homes off and on and enjoyed their hospitality. Oh, what a splendid summer vacation it was. Had I been with you? I also visited a village fair in the neighboring village. That was a very crowded but enjoyable fair too. It would really be nice if you were with me. Really, I feel thrill. Thanks for your nice description.